All right, good morning, ladies and gents. Sorry I've been MIA for a couple of days. I was recording videos for the Leo Awards and trying to get some other stuff done, but I am back. So let's check in and see what's going on in the stock market simulation. We have a new leader, ladies and gents. Tone takes the lead with a 5.83% return. Purple Kevin's still right behind, fractionally lower. Kang made a big jump, and he's sitting up here at 5.35 with Kevin right behind him, just fractionally lower. Thomas solid at 4%. Vivian not too shabby at 3.6. Tina T. You still have some cash, but even then you've got a decent return at 3.11. Seth 2.7, and then people who are not really playing the game. So congrats, you guys, you're killing it, man. 5.8 in what, a month? If you could produce that consistently, you'd never have to work again, ladies and gents. You could just trade stocks. Wow. All right, let me see where I'm at here with mine. Let me refresh this just to make sure. And I just want to point out here, this Camping World Holdings, it's now at $20 a share. I paid $7.83, and in my real portfolio, I bought it at $3.89 a share, 120 shares. I am up huge on that one. All right, so here looks like, what, I got 9% on Amazon, 16 on Facebook, 3 on Google, and 155% on Camping World Holdings. Yeah, I'm happy with that. All right, so I was going to switch you guys over to working with budgeting, but I just looked at the calendar. We've got the rest of this week, next week, and then it's finals week for seniors. So I wanted to, I looked through the materials and I tried to figure out what I thought would be the most useful for you guys. And I came across some activities on ethics. Now, a lot of you guys are getting ready to head off to college. You're going to be moving away from home. At the minimum, you're going to be getting more freedom to be making your own decisions, even if you are staying at home or staying in the area. As you get older, you make more and more of your own decisions, which brings up the concept of ethics. What is ethics? It's basically the principles that govern behavior, groups' behavior. What are our expectations? For example, in the classroom, a behavior, if you have a question, the expectation is that you raise your hand, right? You don't just yell out your question, you raise your hand. So that is a group behavior that we expect. When it comes to ethics, it's kind of the right and wrong of things. So what you're going to be looking at is, now the directions say you're going to be with a partner. Obviously, that's not possible with the distance learning, but you're going to run through a few different scenarios. One that deals with a return policy. Ladies, have you ever bought a dress for a party and then returned it the next day? Let's see how you would handle that. Paying bills. You've got an ethical question here on whether you tell somebody that you still owe them money, right? Cheating. Oh, good Lord. That's right up your guys' alley. And I was told that merit students cheat more than any other students because they have so much on the line. And yeah, I don't even want to get into that. I've been told some personal stories that these top students are all cheating. So they could use a course in ethics. And then lastly, password sharing. So you're going to read through these scenarios, answer a question based on what your ethical response would be to this. All right, ladies and gents, hope you guys have a great Thursday. Congratulations, seniors. You're almost there. I wish you were getting all of the other perks and things that go with being a senior, but it doesn't take away from your accomplishments. You guys all kicked butt, worked hard to get where you're at, and you're ready. You're ready for the next step. Whatever it is, whether it's college or going out and starting to work. I know all of you VE students are ready for the real world. All right, ladies and gents, miss you.